How to set up a file server, a beginner-friendly guide. A file server is a central computer on a network that stores and shares files with other devices. Instead of saving important documents or media on multiple computers, a file server lets users access, upload, and download files from one centralized location. This setup is especially helpful in homes, small businesses, offices, or educational institutions where multiple users need to collaborate or access shared files. Here's a simple, easy-to-understand guide to help you set up a file server. No technical jargon or commands required. Step 1. Choose the right computer. First, select a computer that will act as your server. It doesn't need to be high-end, but it should be reliable and connected to your local network. It can be an old desktop or laptop that you no longer use, as long as it runs well and has enough storage space. Step 2. Install the right operating system. You can use either Windows or Linux to set up your server. For Windows users, Windows 10 11 Pro or Windows Server Editions offer built-in tools to share folders and manage user access. For Linux users, there are lightweight and free options like Ubuntu Server or CentOS that are great for file-sharing tasks. Choose the system you're comfortable using. Open File Folder. Step 3. Create shared folders. Once your operating system is ready, create one or more folders that you want to share with others. For example, you might create folders named Team Documents, Media Files, or Project Resources. These folders will serve as shared locations where others on the network can access or store files. Locked with keys. Step 4. Set up sharing and permissions. Now it's time to enable sharing for the folders you created. On Windows, you can do this through folder properties by enabling Share This Folder and choosing who can access it. You can give full access, view and edit, or limited access, view only, depending on your needs. For Linux systems, similar sharing can be configured through graphical interfaces or server management tools without needing to use commands. You can also set up different user accounts with passwords for added security and access control. Glow with Meridian. Step 5. Connect other devices. Once the file server is ready, connect other computers, laptops, or mobile devices to the shared folders. This is typically done through your File Explorer or network browser, where users can access the server using its name or local network address. You can also map the shared folder to appear as a network drive for easier access. White heavy checkmark. Final tips. Always back up your file server to avoid data loss. Keep your server's software updated for better performance and security. Use a static IP address to ensure the server is always reachable. For larger environments, consider using user groups and access rules for better management. Setting up a file server doesn't have to be complicated. With a few basic steps, you can create a centralized storage system that keeps your files organized, accessible, and secure for everyone on your network.